G'day, this is Autumn ADV rider. It is time for some off-road therapy. It has been too long. Let's go. So this is Werribee track in the Wombat State Forest. We're at the end of autumn. Has been very cold this week. Had a couple of days below 0 degrees. But we have not had a lot of rain. Had a bit on Friday. We're due for a fair bit tomorrow. Which is pretty dry. It'll be interesting to see how greasy these tracks are. Looks good so far. Now talk about last minute decisions to go for a ride today. I didn't get out of bed till 10 o'clock and sat around looking out the window for an hour or so, and by the time I went it was midday. Let's see if we can squeeze around these guys. Got enough room. G'day. Oop. Just enough room, thank you. Very good. Okay, tow rag track. Last time I was out here I went that way, I believe is Mar track. This is tow rags. We'll see what it's like. I don't know if I've been down here before. Yeah, another reason I was keen to get out today, there'll be seasonal road closures kicking in very soon, next few weeks. King's birthday weekend. What have we got here? Not a lot of water. Yeah, nice through here. Nice easy track. Yeah, nothing too hard, something most adventure bikes are capable of. Keep your eye out for dips and logs and whatever else, but otherwise it's quite nice. This is farm track apparently. This is looking a little more serious. Went from a nice Sunday cruise to a bit of a challenge. She's still going up. So this is the northern end of Nolan Ridge track. It'll be closed off for winter soon too. So we'll get it right while we can. It wasn't too long ago I did this track. Gets fairly rocky. Bit of water to ride through. All had solid bases on the water crossings though. The southern end that doesn't get closed is worse. A lot more loose rock. But that 21-inch wheel just rolls over this shit. Righto, more hills. Rocky hills. This bike does these hills so bloody easy. Good traction. Half decent suspension. I think suspension plays a bigger role in traction than tyres. If your tyres aren't touching the ground, you're not getting traction. Doesn't matter what kind of tyre you got. This is it's only a standard Africa twin rear shock. It's a hell of a lot better than the standard V-Strom shock though. The WR front end of course is way better than the stock Suzuki. We're going to go over this side. Yeah, nice. Righto, rocky hill again. Yeah, of course the extra ground clearance helps on these kind of rocks. If this bike was standard, she would have scraped 100 times by now. We're going to just stick to this right. Hope it's not too muddy. Ah, we're good. Beautiful. This is the southern end of Nolan Creek track, and it is the hardest end. Yeah, it's only short, but it is steep and very rocky. visor down or I'm going to get a branch in the eye. Oh, that's better. Hit second for a bit. Ooh, it's getting steep now. Right, back to first. Look at those rocks. Oh shit. It's like a fucking mountain goat, this thing. That's it. Back on Nolan Creek Road. Good job. Where's that going to? Pines track. There's a pines track everywhere. I'm actually tempted to go that way. There's like a chicken track there that's turned into a bog hole. That's turned into a bog hole. There's one through the middle which would be fine. But I'm liking the look of that. There is a log there to get over. I reckon I can do that without too much drama. Ooh, it's a bit nasty, isn't it? Didn't have a very good approach to that, but I got over it alright. So there's a truck to the right which looks grown over, and there's a truck this way. It's saying right, but if I go that way it's going to take me back to Camp Road, I guess. I might just go back, I think. Yeah, I'm not even sure where that track is to the right there. Yeah, we'll just head back. Hopefully I can get back over that log. Might be trickier this way. Oh, there. We made it. Could have went around that pretty easy. Anyway, let's see if we can get through this lot. I reckon this one here looks to go. We might stick with, oh, I can go right in the middle. So we'll head over and do the western end of Rat Hole track. I've never done that before. I've done the eastern end. Now, Rat Hole's one of those tracks that splits off in all directions, so I'll try and find my way through. Rat Hole track, here we are. Let's see what it's got installed for us. Whoa, water, that's what we've got. She's muddy. Here we've got some red clay, uphill, damp. Probably the slipperiest track I've done so far today. Okay, we're veering off two ways here. Which way am I going? Straight. That looks like a nasty hill that way. Not exactly sure which one I should be taking. I think I'll go that way. Oh yeah, it'll split into two again soon. Oh no, more water. We just go in that one. Stick to the centre. Got a nasty looking rut on the right there. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I need to go in that. It's just getting in it that worries me. Just that little crossover bit. I could easily slide out there. Once I'm in it, I should be fine. Oh, it's slippery as. Just arse end sliding down there already. Oops. Would I make it in? Just don't know if I'd quite make it in that rut. I know where I want to be, it's just getting over there. If I go for those rocks, I'm sure this looks like nothing, but she's slippery. Oh, look at that. I'm going to jump off and kind of walk it through that bit. The front's going down further and further. Shit. That's what I didn't want to happen. Oh, I was so close. I wonder if I can get on and get some weight on that wheel. It's so freaking slippery though. I can't even step over there without falling. Yeah, I really need to get on the bike. Yep, stalling it might be the best option. Shit. God, that's slippery. Can't move. Righto. At least I might be able to push a bit there. That's it, that's it. That's it. Wow. Let's just hope I don't have to go back down that. Just gonna have to stay in this rod, I think. So we'll get over now. That back end just wants to slide out sideways. Like I said, it's probably caked in mud. Been fantastic to get out on the bike. Turned out quite a nice day, much nicer than I was expecting. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe, we'll see if we can get up to 3,000 subs in the near future. What is it, 2:10? I haven't had lunch yet. I want to get home and get some lunch. Let's go.